All right, I'm up about, as you can see, I'm up about over $3,000 in Home Depot stock. And these are calls that I bought a while back that expire next year around June 22nd. So that's one that's up 50. Here's another one. Here's that I bought and it's up over 154%. And I bought this call. This call also expires June 22nd. I'm sorry, June 2022, and that's when I'm going to cash these in. These are long calls, and I'm up, and I bought these. I want to say about 3 weeks ago. Yeah, about 3 or 4 weeks ago. So, and they're up this because of Home Depot's earnings. And if I can hold on to them and add to the position, I can probably make about more, maybe $9 or $10,000 off Home Depot. And you know I love Lowe's. You can see my Lowe's up here. So even though they're competitors, we're options traders. We want to ride the bull. We can buy both. We don't, we're not executives of the companies or anything. So we can play both. We don't have to compete which one is better when we can just trade both. So I'm going to go into that also. Let's go into Home Depot, and I want you to show you how good Home Depot has been doing over the last few years. This is a stock you may want to own also. I do own some shares in Home Depot, and they have been doing real well in the home improvement sector. This is the 5 year chart. Just look at it. Just been tearing it up. That was the COVID decline, and then it just went back. We had a pull, but they caught me right here. I lost a little money right up in this spot when I was too bullish on Home Depot, but I made it all back coming this way. So Home Depot, if you look at their financial summary, I think I've already talked about them, but they are a great growth stock to own. They play a pretty good dividend, and look at the sales just going up. Look at the balance sheet. The home improvement sector is strong, and Home Depot is one of the leaders in that, with Lowe's being second. So, and I trade both. I hold both stocks in both and I trade both. So, and what you want to do, let's look at option prices. And I suggest that you may want to buy some longer calls with Home Depot. 30 days or longer. Let's see if we went 30 days out on a long home, volatility is low, so it makes the calls pretty cheap. And if I was buying, it's at what, 393 now. Let's see if I go to 400. For just you $600, $700, you can get you a contract right here. Debit spread maybe $200 at that amount right there. And look at the percentage of change, 200%. So, and there's volume right here letting you know that people expect it to hit that level. That's a lot of profit right there. That percentage of change. If you would have bought it yesterday before earnings or whatever, man, you doubled your money. So yeah, Home Depot is another one you should have on your list to trade. Earnings reports came out great, and it's just another some more easy money for you, an easy trade. We know the fundamentals of the stock. We know how the stock is moving, so you want to jump on that train. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment.